Welcome to you guys to another quick video on Inside the Yard. Do you want to know why Grasshopper cranks but won't start? Now, we discuss major and minor problems with their solutions. Let's see. Reason number 1, not enough spark. For this, check and change the ignition coil if needed. Reason number 2, slow rotation. In this case, you should install a new starter for a better service. Reason number 3, safety switch problem. In that case, check all the safety switches and their connections. Reason number 4, no fuel or low fuel. In that case, you need to fill your oil tank with standard fuel. Reason number 5, not engaging blades. For this, you should check the switch and clutch, blown fuse, battery power, and loose electrical connection. Reason number 6, weak flywheel magnets. For this, you should install a new flywheel magnet for a better service. You can clean the magnet flywheel and reinstall it, but it may not get good results. And reason number 7, no airflow pass into combustion chamber. The solution is to check the valve and reform the gas. You also need to clean the fuel line and carburetor so that the airflow becomes a great point. Hopefully, you get a clear concept of the Grasshopper cranks but won't start with their proper solution. Now, it's easy to identify the problems and take appropriate steps to solve them quickly. Well, you can also visit our page Inside the Yard to read this blog in details. And do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.